going on, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a little bit since I posted. It's kind of my bad. Been busy with work. I picked up a new truck. It's a 12 valve Cummins. You guys will see it in a little bit. Show you guys the truck, a little bit about it, and hope you guys enjoy. Runs pretty good, high mileage, but it's a Cummins, so. So tonight, it's a little late. We're gonna take this plastic off the front bumper, clean that up a little bit, and I'm gonna repaint a spare grill I have. We're gonna replace that. Just clean up the front end a little bit. So. Alright, as you guys can see, taking off one of the last couple bits for the grill without breaking it. So, the new grill's over there. I'm gonna just go with the black one like I did on the OBS. It should look pretty good. So, yeah, that's about it. Video. Basically what I've done is just did some cosmetic stuff. The first thing I did when I bought the truck was change the oil. I always do that. So that's about it. And then today I'm gonna finish cleaning out the interior. There's a lot of just random stuff in here. So there's like, left me some presents in there. Seats are in really good shape. Yeah, but the floor back here is pretty nasty, so I'm gonna have to clean that up and get that all done. And yeah, so try to get some content, get some video of it. All right, here's a before. Really stained. We'll see how clean we can get it. All right, so finished vacuuming this setup. I'm just gonna spray some Simple Green on it. That's all I have. I'm sure there's better stuff out there, but that's what I'm doing. So. Alright, spray down the dash. Yes, it's a second gen with a dash. I know, it's rare. Cleans up pretty nicely. It's still a little bit damp, so I'll probably go back over it with a vacuum. This stain that was right here pretty much came out. I might let it dry a little bit longer and get those ones over there. but for the most part, it's pretty good. The front seats were really bad, and most of those stains came out. So, I don't know. I have hope for the back. We'll see. Let's see, which truck? Ford, the Dodge. Yeah, let's take the Dodge. All right, I'm gonna go for a little night cruise. So, gotta grab the aux cord out of the OBS first. Watching. It means a lot. I try to put a lot of effort into these videos, make them the best quality I can. It takes me a while. I know there's a big time between each video I post. I'm just trying to make the videos as best as I can for you guys, so that it's worth your time. Obviously, you don't have to watch our videos, but you do anyway, and I appreciate it. It means a lot. I wanted to remind you guys that when the channel hits 100 subscribers, we're going to do a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. I would like to eventually do merch and stickers and grow the channel. So we need you guys' help. Please share this video, other videos with your friends and family. Get them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. And get entered to win the giveaway. Just comment down below if you're subscribed. And you guys will automatically be entered. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.